major ingredient which is present in iCoffee Creamer and iCoffee Black is actually the Salacia reticulata. We call this as salcital. Well, we've been talking about salcital for a long time, quite a long time right now. But the thing is, salcital or Salacia reticulata for that matter has been used across the globe in various countries for the management of diabetes. Well, there is one of the important publications which has been published by a university in Sri Lanka. See, Sri Lanka is actually a place where Salacia reticulata trees are actually found in more numbers as compared to India actually. So normally when you see the cultivation of Salacia reticulata trees, it starts from the Western Ghats and goes till the Sri Lankan country as well. This is how the cultivation or the geography of Salacia reticulata is all about. Well, my dear friends, I would like to tell you here, salcital or Salacia reticulata has been used as a dietary substance also in some of the food materials that the people are using in their daily lives. One of the important clinical trials which was done on Salacia reticulata, the clinical trial was done something in this way. Salacia reticulata was actually given as a dietary material for patients who were suffering from diabetes mellitus. The result was actually seen like after a period of around about 6 weeks. After the period of 6 weeks, the doctors actually came to know that there were considerable reductions in the glucose levels, the HbA1c as well as the BMI. So these are the three important things what the doctors actually found out after supplementing this Salacia reticulata in the form of diet. So this exactly means that this gives you an importance of the use of Salacia reticulata in the management of diabetes mellitus, which was actually used from the ages of Ayurveda as well, my dear friends. So that is the importance of Salacia reticulata to be used in a product like iCoffee. Even the clinical trials, the modern clinical trials are also explaining the importance of Salacia reticulata in the management of diabetes mellitus. So the first promotion point for all of you today is the Salacia reticulata, not only as a part of storytelling, but as a part of scientific description. You can see this wonderful plant being used in the products of iCoffee Creamer and iCoffee Black, and definitely these ingredients will definitely help in controlling or managing the sugar levels in pre-diabetes as well as type 1 and type 2 diabetes patients, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So, going ahead, people with type 1 diabetes may be at high risk of severe illness related to coronavirus. So let us talk about this similar, the scenario which is happening on a daily basis today. Well, now the doctors and the scientists across the world, now they are coming to a conclusion. It's not a conclusion exactly, it is a hypothesis, but might be proved in the future as well. So they are now linking this type 1 diabetes as well as the infections which are severely seen in COVID-19 patients, which exactly means that, see, one of the authors, Dr. Hassel Lee, he was the author who has written this paper. He clearly says that people with type 1 diabetes may be at a high risk of developing severe symptoms and illness from COVID-19. Leave COVID-19 aside. What I'm trying to tell you here is people with type 1 diabetes, for example, they can be prone to different kinds of other conditions also. Not only a dreadful viral disease, but other secondary complications which can happen in future days also, my dear friends. Because what I'm trying to tell you here is people with diabetes malady itself are prone to a lot of secondary conditions in future. See, that is the reason why whenever you try to control your diabetes or manage your sugar levels, automatically your body will be protected from all kinds of other dreadful diseases in future. I hope you got my point clear. That is the reason why the first step here is to control your sugar levels, protect your body so that you will not suffer from any kinds of other diseases. See, this is how you need to promote the product. Try to tell the people in this way, which is a scientifically validated way. Try to control your sugar levels even if you are diabetic, so that your body will develop that resistance so that it does not suffer from any kinds of other diseases in future. I hope you got my point clear. So similarly, fatty liver and diabetes is also one thing which is connected to each other. So everyone, may be knowing about this dreadful disease called as fatty liver disease. So whenever there is excess bad fat in the liver, it is called as fatty liver. Similarly, people with fatty liver as well as the malady of diabetes, they are more connected with the severity of COVID-19. Even people with fatty liver conditions, they are more prone to secondary conditions which can happen in COVID-19, which means that you have obesity at one hand, you have diabetes at the other hand, the third one is the fatty liver. All these conditions, if a human body is already having, automatically these people can be prone to all kinds of dreadful diseases in the future. It might not be COVID-19, it might be any other disease which can happen in future. These people are more vulnerable. This is what exactly what the meaning of the sentence is. Why I am trying to tell you these things are, protect your bodies by managing your sugar levels so that your bodies will develop more and more resistance so that you will not suffer from any kind of dreadful diseases in the future. I hope you got my point clear. So, as I told you, diabetes is die in bits. So diabetes can be structured like this, die in bits and pieces. It will not kill you immediately, but it will kill you in bits and pieces. That is what is called as diabetes, die in bits. See, what exactly happens here is, diabetes normally happens because of high levels of blood glucose resulting from defects in insulin production, insulin action, or both. That is the reason why whenever a human body is having disturbances of carbohydrate, fat and protein metabolism, one person suffers from diabetes mellitus. Similarly, the effects of diabetes is not short term. The effects of diabetes is always long term. This is very important. The effects of diabetes is always long term, and it includes the long term damage, dysfunction and failure of various organs. See, whenever you get a fever, 1 or 2 days the fever can subside. It will not cause problems to other organs in the body. But whenever you have diabetes, it not only destroys your pancreas, but it destroys your brain, it destroys your eyes, it destroys your nerves, it destroys your liver, it destroys your whole body. That is the reason why jokingly sometimes, normally our products are called as holistic wellness products, because our products can have health benefits from head till the toe. But diabetes itself is a holistic disease actually, which is a disease from head till the toe. It is not only a disease which is pertaining to your pancreas, each and every cell from your body from the head till the toe can be affected when the person is suffering from diabetes mellitus, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. This is what is exactly called as diabetes. It is die in bits and pieces. Well, going ahead, diabetes has various reasons and types. Some of the major reasons of diabetes mainly includes the insulin resistance, abnormal glucose production by the liver. This is very important. Your liver is actually called as a sugar factory. So whenever there is a lot of sugar which is liberated in your liver, abnormal glucose production, we call it as gluconeogenesis. This is also a major reason for blood sugar increase. Genetic susceptibility is also one of the reasons. Obesity and physical inactivity. Always obesity and diabetes are two faces of a coin. You can call them as a two faces of a coin actually. Suppose if one has obesity, they are always vulnerable to get diabetes. Or if suppose someone is diabetic, they are always vulnerable to become obese. This is what exactly are two faces of a coin. Similarly, increasing age, bad diet and pre-diabetes, all these things put together, these are the major reasons for diabetes, my dear friends. So, diabetes, statistically, if I have to speak, India's bitter truth is diabetes. India is now becoming the diabetic capital of the world. Today we have COVID-19, which is actually a pandemic which is spreading in India. But tomorrow, in the future days, diabetic as well can become a major pandemic in this country, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So it can spread like a pandemic disease because India is called as the diabetic capital of the world, and nearly around about 128% growth rate can happen by 2040. This is a very, very dangerous statistics. So that is the reason why please cut down on your sugar diet. Please consume iCoffee Creamer or iCoffee Black. Definitely manage your sugar levels without compromising the authentic taste of your coffees. This is what exactly iCoffee Creamer and Black can do, my dear friends. Well, diabetes, as I told you, is called as a disorder. It is not a disease. Disorder in the sense it is a combination of various diseases from head till the toe. That is why I call this as a holistic disease itself, because it can happen anywhere from head till the toe. So, always feeling tired is one of the symptoms. Polyuria, going to the urine most of the times, again is a symptom. Sudden loss of weight is also one of the symptoms. Healing of the wound, this is also one of the major symptoms. Hungry, always feeling hungry. I hope you have all had a very good sumptuous meal right now. I hope you are all not hungry right now. Suppose if someone is abnormally hungry, then it is called as diabetes mellitus. Sexual problems can happen because of this. Blurriness of the vision can also happen because of this. This is otherwise called as retinopathy. Similarly, vaginal infections can happen in females. Numbness and tingling of the feet called as neuropathy can happen. Similarly, always feeling thirsty, the feeling of thirst, drinking of more and more water, all these things are major symptoms of diabetes. That is the reason why I am telling you, my dear friends, it is die in bits. It is not killing you immediately, but it is killing you from head till the toe. That is what is called as a diabetes. I hope you got my point clear. As you all know, the major ingredient which is present in iCoffee, creamer or black is called as Salacia reticulata. We normally make an extract out of it called as salsitol, which is a patented herbal extract. This salsitol, or which is made from Salacia reticulata, in fact, Salacia reticulata is called as Ekanayakam or Saptaranga, which is dating back to 5,000 years in Ayurvedic parlance, known for managing the diabetes. Well, Salacia reticulata contains three major ingredients in it. So the first thing is called as the cotanolol, the second thing is salacinol, third is mangiferin. All the three important ingredients have wonderful activity on reducing your increased sugar levels. This is very important. So along with this, the major two important functions of our salsitol, the first thing is called as alpha glucosidase inhibition. The second is called as pancreatic lipase inhibition. These two are called as enzymatic inhibitory functions. Enzymatic inhibitory functions of our product, by which the iCoffee is actually acting in your body and reducing or suppressing your sugar levels. I hope you got my point clear. So the next important thing is the other ingredients of iCoffee. As you know, the first thing is the coffee beans. As you all know, we are sourcing the wonderful coffee beans which are grown from the Coorg region of Karnataka. The third ingredient is called as Mucuna prurens. Mucuna prurens is called as cowhage or velvet bean. Cowhage or velvet bean. So this is also one of the important things which is added in iCoffee, so which is helping in reducing the sugar levels. So along with this, as I've been telling you, I want to repeat this point again and again. All our Indus Viva products are frontline immune boosters and antioxidants. Each and every ingredient that we use in our products, they are the frontline immune boosters and antioxidants, my dear friends. Well, coming back to this coffee bean, as I was telling you, see, we are not using the normal coffee bean. We are actually using the best quality coffee beans which are sourced from Coorg region of Karnataka. In fact, this particular coffee bean will be roasted at 40 degrees Celsius. So whenever the roasting happens at 40 degrees Celsius, the first thing to disappear from coffee beans is caffeine. That is the reason why we can clearly tell that iCoffee creamer or iCoffee black is caffeine-free products. Similarly, when the caffeine is removed from the product, what else remains? We have something called as polyphenols which remains in the product. So whenever the caffeine reduces in the product or polyphenol comes out, polyphenols are nothing but antioxidants. Whenever there is antioxidant present in the product, automatically the body can be protected with all kinds of dreadful diseases. I hope you got my point clear. This is how each and every of our product gives the health benefits to the body. So going ahead, my dear friends, as you all know that iCoffee is suitable for all kinds of diabetes. Maybe it is type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes, it is pregnancy related diabetes or pre-diabetes also. It does not have any sugar molecules in this. It is free from sugar. As I tell you normally, the wellness products, the holistic wellness products should always be taken for a minimum period of 3 months at least, should show its maximum benefits. And this can be taken along with other medications pretty safely. It can be taken along with insulin also. It does not lower the sugar, and a normal person can also consume iCoffee without any problems. So far as a normal person is concerned, it is always important to consume only one sachet in a day. That is either half sachet in the morning and half sachet in the night, half an hour before your food. This is how you need to consume iCoffee if you are a normal person. I hope you got my point clear. So the most important thing, whenever you are preparing iCoffee, always try to prepare iCoffee with hot water or warm water. Never use iCoffee with cold water, because this can cause various elements in the iCoffee not soluble in the water. whenever the water is hot or warm, many of the ingredients which are present in iCoffee can be soluble properly. Whenever those ingredients are soluble, automatically your body will be getting those ingredients and ultimately your sugar levels can be managed properly. I hope you got my point clear, my dear friends. Please do prepare iCoffee with 80 to 100 ml hot water or warm water for better health benefits. Never use the ice cold water or the fridge water for preparing iCoffee. I hope you got my point clear. So this is what I had to explain you about some of the points today, some of the take home messages like the Salcital, which is actually proven today as a wonderful anti-diabetic supplement, as well as the major points which are prevalent in the relevant to the current scenario, like the COVID-19 and the impact of diabetes and future coming days. How can you protect your health by the use of iCoffee Creamer and iCoffee Black, so that even in the future your body cannot suffer from dreadful diseases. I hope you got my points clear. So thank you so much, Vivites, for patient watching. So this is a question answer time. So let me take the questions today. So today my colleague Ms. Priyanka has collected the questions for me. So the first question that I am seeing here: can we suggest iPulse and iCoffee to a patient who has undergone bariatric surgery? Mr. Rupesh Kumar. Mr. Rupesh Kumar, if you are watching this, definitely yes. The answer lies in your question itself. You can give both. So, but suppose if the person is not a diabetic, I always suggest you to give 1 sachet of iCoffee on a daily basis. That is half sachet 2 times, and iPulse will be 30 ml 2 times. I hope you got my point clear. So the second question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Chingangbum. Is it okay to recommend black coffee twice daily for juvenile diabetes who is taking insulin 6 units twice daily? So Mr. Chingangbum, if you are seeing this, definitely yes, what you have done is absolutely correct. Please continue iCoffee Black, 1 sachet in the morning and 1 sachet in the night, half an hour before the food. Definitely the health benefits can be seen. I hope my points are clear to you. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Ramakrishna. Mr. Ramakrishna Gavirneni, if it is okay, Ramakrishna, uncle is taking insulin morning and evening 15 points. How to take iCoffee Black? As I told you, you can definitely give iCoffee Black in this condition. Again, please give 1 in the morning and 1 in the night, half an hour before your food, at least for a period of 3 months to get the maximum health benefits. I hope my point is clear. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Satish Nagalikar. Mr. Satish Nagalikar, if you are seeing the question, so if you are seeing this show, which product is better for hepatitis and gallbladder stones? See, as I told you, see for such a condition like hepatitis or the gallbladder stones, you can definitely have a combination of iPulse and iCoffee. Whereas, why I am telling iCoffee here is, iCoffee is a very good product even for the liver disorders as well as the gallbladder problems, as I was speaking about the fatty liver today. So what I try to suggest you here is, you can definitely give iCoffee Creamer, but half sachet in the morning and half sachet in the night would be okay, followed by 30 ml of iPulse twice daily. I hope you got my point clear. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Siju. If Mr. Siju is actually seeing this, so Mr. Siju, okay, so Mr. Siju is asking a question here. Which one is good, creamer or black? Is a question actually. So which one is good, Mr. Siju is asking. See, there is nothing like the goodness between creamer or black. This is what the question that I have understood right now. I just tried to cross-check your question here and there. So there is nothing like good and bad here. One important thing that most of you might be knowing or have to know is, it is always better for a type 2 diabetic person to use iCoffee Creamer and an insulin dependent diabetic person to use iCoffee Black, which is more resulting in more health benefits in such a patient. I hope, Mr. Siju, you got my answer. Okay, so this is what Mr. Siju's question was. So the next question that I am seeing here is, so a 5-year baby having diabetes, please suggest the dosage. Definitely, if it is a 5-year baby, as I told you, you can start with iCoffee Black. Half in the morning and half in the night would definitely be a wonderful, result-oriented product as well. So the next question is from Mr. Mohammed Abdul Aziz. Can children consume iCoffee? Yes, absolutely yes. From 2 years onwards, children can consume iCoffee Creamer and Black. I hope my answer is clear to you. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Samresh Tiwari. How long should I consume iCoffee after maintaining sugar levels? You can definitely continue iCoffee for another 3 months after you have maintained your sugar levels, just as a preventive dose. I hope you got my point. But again, it depends on your diet and lifestyle for maintaining your sugar issues. I hope the points are clear to you. So the last question of the day that I am taking here is from Mr. Shahbaz Akram. Mr. Shahbaz Akram is actually telling me this, giving me this question. If someone is suffering from many health issues and has sugar, in this situation, can iCoffee be given? Will it surely manage the sugar levels? Absolutely yes. That is the reason why we normally call our products as holistic wellness products. Along with any other medications also, these products can be taken pretty safely. That is the reason why. So Mr. Shahbaz Akram, you can definitely consume iCoffee creamer in such a situation at a dose of 1 in the morning and 1 sachet in the night, half an hour before the food. I hope you got my point clear. It will not have an interaction with any other kind of medication or any disease in specific. I hope the point is clear. You can definitely use the product. Well, my dear friends, thank you very much for posing your wonderful queries. I know some of the queries are still left unanswered, but don't worry about it. My colleagues have noted down this. We will be answering it by next Tuesday, which will be another iCoffee day. Suppose if you want to pose your question on the messenger page of our Indus Viva or Vibrant Viva, please do pose your questions there. We will be able to answer them as well. So don't worry if your questions are left unanswered. I will be coming back again on the next Tuesday with your answers as well of the unanswered questions. So thank you very much, Vivites, for your patient watching. This is Dr. Balu Kolar, Head of Product Development and Training, signing off from the desk at Indus Viva Health Sciences, Bangalore. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day ahead. We'll meet tomorrow again.